Double murder that has happened in the past few days, and these murders have been spiraling out of control, and there seems to be no
Hi guys, welcome
to
to
Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a Jamaican that was kidnapped in Trinidad and Tobago. I have an update for you guys, so let's get into it. And it says, a Jamaican businessman who was abducted in Trinidad and Tobago in April has been released after 51 days in captivity. According to media reports in the Twin Island Republic, Trinidad and Tobago police reportedly said Yohan Chin was released about 7 a.m. Tuesday but declined to give further information. A US $6 million ransom had reportedly been demanded by the kidnappers for Chin's safe return. It was unclear if it or any amount of money was paid. Chin's business partner informed the police of Chin's abduction 2 days after it occurred. The business partner reportedly told the police that he had received a call from Chin via telephone informing him that an armed man wearing ski masks and hats displaying the word police had abducted him. Chin's family, who reportedly owns a chain of businesses in Jamaica and Canada, made an appeal for his safe return last month via newspaper advertisement. So he was released. This is kind of funky to me. He needs to come out and make everything clear, because now people are going to be speculating and saying that he probably set up his own abduction, because this is weird. He didn't say if he actually paid the ransom. No one said if they're paying the ransom, his family members or his business partner. So it's very weird to me. How did you just get abducted, leave for 51 days and just come back unscathed, unharmed? Not that what happened, because now people are going to be wondering and now people are going to be speculating. But I'm happy that he's home and he's safe and they didn't do anything to him or hurt him, and his family got to see him alive and well. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that this abduction is very weird? Do you think that there's something behind this abduction? Because I sure do. I feel like there's more to this story that they are not saying, and it's very off-putting. Let me just put it like that. Comment what your thoughts are. It says the Old Harbor police are probing the circumstances which led to the shooting death of a man and a woman at the market in the town in St. Catherine on Tuesday. Dead are 37-year-old Donovan Young, otherwise called Fargo, a vendor of Ivory Housing Scheme, and 24-year-old Oshin Moncrief of Claremont Housing Scheme, both in Old Harbor. Reports are that about 2:05 p.m. they were both sitting at Young's shop in the market that deals in foreign wear items when they were pounced upon and shot by two armed men, who then made their escape from the scene. They were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. Investigation continued into the incident that has again raised security concern in the market, where numerous tragedies, including multiple murders and a destructive fire, have been experienced over recent years. The market is located on East Street, the main throughout fair in the heart of bustling town, less than 100 meters away from Old Harbor Police Station on the same street. So man don't have any fear in the world, because they went and killed these two guys literally on the same street that the police station are located. And one thing to note about this case particularly is one of the guys, the first guy that got shot, actually got shot in his mouth. And in Jamaica, they say it's alleged, or people say that when you get shot in the mouth, it's because you talk too much. So obviously he talked about something and some people didn't like it and they retaliated. There's no way in hell that in a public place like a market where families go to in big broad daylight, 2:05 p.m. on the same street that a police station is located, should these gunmen escape scotch-free. No way in hell. Okay, they are bold and they're vicious and they're taking this for a joke now. And like I said in my previous video, like summer is coming up, everybody want things, everybody ready for people things, so rob, thief and steal and murder for it. We have suggested so many things to help curb crime in Jamaica that it's ridiculous that these things are still happening. And them put up CCTV from God knows when, from what we kill Philip, and Philip was a boy from last year, and all know the CCTVs them can't seem to be put up because there's no in hell in a public place like a market they just kill somebody and them gone about them business like nothing never happened. That's crazy to me. Crazy. So that means to them they have no fear. They don't fear police. They don't fear getting locked up. They don't fear getting retaliated by police or any of that. So something needs to be done. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me what your thoughts are. People are saying that is because the guy talked about something he wasn't supposed to. The guy talked about something he wasn't supposed to and they retaliated. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.